Choose the right knife and blade. Pick the right blade for the job. Inspect your knife. Before cutting, check for rust, dullness, or damage. Test the locking mechanism. Make sure the blade is secure and ready to go. Use a safe cutting surface. Never cut on glass, your lap, or wobbly tables. Use a self-healing cutting mat or non-slip surface for control and safety. Get a proper grip. Hold the knife firmly. Keep your other hand out of the cutting path. Cut at the right angle. Aim for a 30 to 45 degree angle. Too steep or too flat, that's a safety hazard. Retract when you're done. Always retract the blade or lock it.